Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign, and this reading is for the August mid-month reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your feelings towards your person Capricorn, your feelings towards your person. Here your person feelings towards you. Okay, let's see your feelings towards your person. First, Capricorn, Knight of Wands, Six of Cups, the Star, Ace of Wands. Yeah, I think let's see your person feelings also. Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands, Six of Swords, King of Swords. Okay, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. Six of Cups is here, and you both could be Aries, Leo, Sag, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. If there is separation between both of you, I think Capricorn, you want reconciliation with your person, you want new beginnings with your person, because Six of Cups with Ace of Wands, definitely you want new beginning, and the Star also reconciliation, and you want to go towards your person very passionately, and your person also have emotions for you. Queen of Cups, and they stand by their power. They are also strongly attracted to you. I think some communication issues are going between both of you. King of Swords, I think your person is very straightforward, and Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. There is separation between both of you. For some, those who are waiting for reconciliation, the mutual energy is Seven of Wands. Yes, you both don't want to give up on this connection, even though you see here Ace of Pentacles. Yes, long-term commitment is coming definitely in this for this connection. So let's see some more. Mind, Page of Swords, spying on your social media. Your person could be from your side. Conditioning, Devil, your person could be Capricorn also. So you both are obsessed with each other, or your person, or you could be obsessed with your person Capricorn. No thingness means Hierophant. Yes, commitment is coming. You both want to commit with each other. You both want a long-term commitment, because the mutual energies don't give up, and a long-term commitment and Hierophant commitment. Definitely commitment is coming. You both want the same thing, but not expressing, I think, because some Devil energy. I think one person is dominating in this connection, and one person is thinking a lot. This, that, whatever maybe. So definitely long-term commitment is coming in this connection. So what's going on your connection right now, it doesn't matter. Definitely there will be a commitment, and long-term commitment is coming, because you both don't want to give up on this connection at any cost. You both have strong attraction with each other, towards each other, and your person also has strong emotions for your Queen of Cups. This could be long distance relationship also. So Capricorn, you also wishing for this connection to go to next level. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.